Hi everyone, Chef Mark here, and I'm at the Colorado Convention Center for the 2020 Colorado Garden and Home Show. I'm so happy to be here. We've been walking around and checking out all the beautiful things that the home show has to offer. I gotta tell you, it's freezing outside, but you come in here and there's these gorgeous gardens, flowers everywhere, everything you need for your home, and I just love this convention center. But we found the goods. We popped down by my friends at Appliance Factory, Mattress Kingdom, and we're checking out their booth. They've got outrageous savings. We're gonna go ahead and talk to some of the salespeople. I've got a special celebrity who's gonna join us, so stay tuned, let's go check it out. Now my friends at Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom are here at the show, and they're proud to bring 40 to 80% off. Unbelievable savings, but they're really proud of their 4.5 star Google review. Now, what does that mean? Compared to the big box stores, the big orange box or the big blue box, 1.5 stars and 1.7 stars respectively. Now, it only goes down to 1 star. You can't give somebody a lower rating than 1 star. So what this tells me is that when you're buying appliances, you should stick to the pros. Now, Appliance Factory commissioned an outside company to come in and look at the reviews and do a study, and this is what they discovered. So I talked to Appliance Factory. They're very proud of this. They wanted to make sure that I talked about how proud they are of their customer service, you know, beautiful appliances. We're gonna check out some of the amazing deals they have here. Going back to that 40 to 80% off, is it true? You betcha. Just checking out, look at this laundry, beautiful LG laundry set. Aggressive, beautiful show pricing. I love this. Look at the size of this. Holy cow. I've had apartments smaller than that. I'm here with Craig, one of our sales professionals with Appliance Factory. I was walking through and he pulled me off to the side and said, hey chef, do you know about our show only pricing? And I didn't know. So I wanted to learn more about that. Now Craig, what is with this show only pricing? What does that mean?
Well, at the home show, you'll find that everybody, all the different vendors, will have very specific pricing specifically for the duration of the show. And so Appliance Factory has done the same thing.
Okay.
We have very special pricing, very aggressive pricing for that is available only during the home show, and you have to come here to get it.
So I understand there's 19 locations in Colorado, but to get the special pricing, you have to come to the home show specific.
Yes, and this particular home and garden show is one of the biggest ones in the country.
Yeah, that's right. So, you know, it's a few bucks to enter to get in here. I don't know, whatever the tickets are, but is it savings higher than the price of entry?
Oh, yes. The special pricing that we put together here is ridiculously aggressive.
Okay.
I mean, it's really
so
good.
If you're going to come to the show and you need appliances, why not come to the show and come see you here at this booth?
Absolutely. And it would be, in my mind, this is almost stupid pricing. It is really aggressive.
Stupid pricing. Wow.
If you're in the place where you need a major appliance, a washer or dryer, a refrigerator, a stove, a microwave, a range, if you need something even as a package of more than one, we have very aggressive pricing on the packages. We have aggressive pricing on the individuals. We can take care of it.
That's fantastic. Now I see these beautiful Samsung black stainless steel package behind us. And let's say I just want the fridge.
Oh yes, we can do just the fridge.
Okay, so
this is package pricing but we can do it just for the refrigerator. We can do it just for the microwave. We can do it just for the range. And we have actually even more aggressive pricing if you buy the display item.
Oh, no kidding.
So, because we're selling the displays as well. These are all brand new. They're all factory warranty. They're all qualified for extended warranty. But we want to sell our displays as well. And so we got even more aggressive than that.
Well, this is fantastic because I got to tell you, I've been to many of the Appliance Factory stores, and walking through this display, it's like they've recreated a store. Like it's a micro store. It's amazing. And they're here, they're ready to make deals. So come on by, see Craig. There's lots of sales professionals here. And it's a great way to save some money. Now, I promised you guys a surprise. So let's go find that out. I found him. It's our celebrity. It is the Mattress King, Eric Bowie.
What's up, CCM?
CCM, that is short for Celebrity Chef Mark Kalix. And of course, when I see the Mattress King, I'm always in awe of your scepter and your crown. Where is that today?
I left it at the office.
You left it at the
I had
office?
to get it clean.
Right,
My
little
bad.
little gold polish on
Yeah,
that.
exactly.
All right, so
Precisely.
I'm surprised that to see you here. Normally you're on your throne, in your
Yeah.
castle, drawbridge up. So what brings you out of your kingdom?
Same thing. Got to get it clean. Got to get it polished. I have it at the office. It's getting cleaned up. But I got some crazy show specials. Crazy show specials. I'm doing 40-80% off. Only at the home show, exclusive to the home show. That is. And yeah, we got some great deals here. So come on down.
Okay, so if somebody wants to save all this money on a mattress, they can't do this in the store. They've got to come see you, the Mattress King, and they may even, if you come to the home show, you might meet the Mattress King. And if you do, be ready because I understand that you run a fair kingdom,
Yes,
one that is
absolutely, yes.
one that has low prices.
Always low prices and always free footballs, unless I run out. But I will try to get you a free football. But people are taking them like hotcakes.
So free footballs and low prices, all from the Mattress King. Oh my gosh, it was an honor to see you out in the wild. I love this. Normally you're surrounded by court jesters
Yes.
and mattress princes and mattress princesses.
Yeah.
So it's really a pleasure. Thanks for making time for
Yeah,
us.
thanks for stopping by.
Yeah.
See you guys.
Well, thanks everyone for tuning in to the 2020 Garden and Home Show here at the Colorado Convention Center. We had a great time touring the Appliance Factory booth. It was really great to talk to Craig and learn about the exclusive deals they have here. Of course, Appliance Factory has low prices every day, but swing on by the home show. You're going to want to see this anyways. Buy a ticket, come on it, and then you're going to save thousands if you need appliances. They've got beautiful things here, lots of displays, deals like crazy. And then guess what? We got to meet the Mattress King, and he's got great deals going on too. So really excited to see him outside of his castle. So thanks everyone for tuning in. This is Chef Mark, and of course I'm with Appliance Factory. Make sure that you like and subscribe our YouTube channel so you can keep an eye on all of our wonderful tips and tricks and the cooking, and you get to see all the personalities that we have on the channel. Thanks for tuning in.